Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video, we'll discuss how to enable automatic app updates in Microsoft Store. So with that being said, let's get started. If you want to automatically update all your Windows 11 application from the Microsoft Store, then you can simply follow this method. To open Microsoft Store, here on the search option, search for Microsoft Store and open it. Now log in with your Microsoft account. After that, simply click on your profile icon. Here from the drop-down menu, simply click on Settings. Now here you will find App Update option. Simply turn on this toggle. When you turn on this toggle, it will automatically download and install Windows application. However, if you want to update your system component, then you have to update it from the settings. For that, you can simply click on Windows Update and click on Yes, and here click on Check for Updates. Or else you can directly open Settings and click on Windows Update and click on Check for Update to update your system component. So that's for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.